So as you know guys, I have made a video on EGlobal Central, lots of comments from there. Everybody was saying that, oh, they might be fake, and some of them received their stuff on time. Whatever I've ordered, I received it on time. So what I did was, because it's been some time and I wanted to order just one product, and I want to order from EGlobal Central just to make sure that things changed, or do they send the products as they say that within a week or 15 days or whatever it is. I ordered this lightning cable from EGlobal Central, and first of all I'm going to do an unboxing, just show you a bit of the features and just let you know guys, this cable, this product which I ordered, it arrived within 1 week, which is quite surprising for me, because I was expecting it to be 15 days or 20 days or probably lost, or as the comments say, but yeah, it arrived on time. So let's get into it, and let's unbox this lightning cable and see what's so special about it. Just quickly tell you, packaging is very simple. It's a cable from a company called McDodo. Ordered it from EGlobal Central, gray metal in color, got some braided shield on the cable. Lightning is the connector port for the iPhone, and then you have the size. The length is 4 feet, which is 1.2 meters. On the rear, it just gives you a little bit of information. It's got a chip inside and so on. That's what everybody says, but I'm nowhere affiliated with this company, and I'm not promoting this video for you guys to buy. This is just my personal experience. It does come with a manual. It says user manual. You have the cable in this plastic shell, so it's gray. It's written McDodo over here, and it's got this plastic covering. The cable itself, it's braided, sort of nylon braided. Here we go guys, you need this USB-C connector with the MacBook, otherwise it won't work. And what we're going to do is we are just going to plug this in, and we're going to connect this to our MacBook. And so as soon as we've connected this to our MacBook, you can see that it glows over here, it becomes green, which is quite interesting, because that's the feature which I was actually looking for. Normally what happens is, these pins over here, they just go off. But yeah, as I told you, this is nylon braided, it's not metal. That's very good, that's nice. And let's see, let's connect it and let's see if it works. Okay, yeah, it says charging. So that's good. The interesting thing is, very cool. So it glows, it's like a halo, so it'll, like that Iron Man sort of thing. So it glows the green light, and I'm guessing that once it's charged, either it'll go solid bright or either it'll just turn off. So let's go see in the manual what it says, but that's how it is. It glows, and if I were to remove this, it just constantly glows, and once you plug it in, your phone is charging. At that time it will, it'll just starts glowing. But yeah guys, this was my quick video for the lightning cable, and I'm going to test it out, and I think it's going to charge my phone really quick. So guys, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment section below and I'll reply back to you. Bye for now.